Hi, I'm Dee McGinnis here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'd like to talk to real estate agents who enjoy doing open houses or who do not enjoy doing open houses. Maybe you don't enjoy doing open houses because there's a couple of three things that you're not aware of that if you knew these things, you would enjoy doing open houses. Today we're going to talk about one particular item though, and that is how to basically double, I said double your exposure. Now some people think that 1 plus 1 equals 2. But did you know that if you had one mud puddle and you put another mud puddle in that mud puddle, 1 plus 1 would equal 1? But I'm not talking about that today. I'm talking about double, okay? Look at this. This is a little different than the average open house sign that just says open house, okay? See the difference? Now I've heard that sometimes open house signs get stolen. I've never experienced that, but if you've got a picture that's unique and different, and you got your telephone number on a sign, highly unlikely somebody's going to steal it unless they're just looking to add something to their museum. That's part of it. Now, the other part is this. How about this? Standing up on the rack or the bracket that you put your open house sign on. You see, the other thing that I do, first of all, I put 4 signs to a main intersection. I said 4 signs to the main intersection. So in Phoenix, for instance, at Tatum and Bell, there would be 4 signs directing the person down the street. And then go to another intersection, a main intersection, and put 4 signs down there directing back this way. And then another 2 or 3 in the center, and then a couple more in closer to the house. Do you see what I mean? So we're not just putting 1 sign that says open house, we're putting 4. And when you're driving down the street and you've got something like this a block ahead of you, it looks almost like there's street construction ahead. So you might want to consider that if you want to get more people into your open house. And in other videos, we will talk about other things that might interest you who are not currently holding open houses. Because I think the whole purpose of an open house is to find a seller or a buyer. And I can share with you some ideas as to how I get sellers and how I get buyers. And if you can have a seller and a buyer, you don't pay any money for advertising in a newspaper or a magazine or an ad or the internet. You just go there and sit for 2 or 3 hours. Now you take things with you to do, so the time goes by quite quickly. One of the things I do is I write about 5 or 6 posts that I put on Active Rain while I'm there. And remember this, if you don't like it, change it. If you can't change it, don't worry about it.